Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're dealing with a common fraction question, specifically subtracting one common fraction from another. Now they've said to us, which one of the following shows the correct procedure for finding 1 over 5 minus 1 over 3? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it, and we're going to find the answer that is closest to what we've done. Now we know that the golden rule when it comes to the addition and subtraction of common fractions is that we need to find a denominator that is the same. The denominator has to be the same before we're able to do anything else. Now we typically call that finding the lowest common denominator. And the way we do that is we find the lowest common multiple between the two denominators. Now because you know your maths, we both know that 5 and 3 would have a lowest common denominator of 15. Okay, so we can literally times 5 by 3 and we can times 3 by 5. So in our next step, we would say, right, 1 over 5, we want to convert to 15. So to do that, we need to times the bottom by 3. But if I do that, I need to do the same thing to the top so that I've essentially multiplied the whole thing by 1 and nothing has changed. I'm then going to do the same thing to 1 over 3. So that's going to be times 5 to make it 15. And I need to do the same thing on the top. Okay, so that is that. Now we would say that we would do our multiplication in the next step. So the 1 times 3 gives us 3, and the 5 times 3 gives us 15. And on the other side, 1 times 5 gives us 5, and 3 times 5 gives us 15. So that would give us 3 minus 5 over 15. Alright, so guys, which one of the options is closest to the one we have done? So it can only be this one, and let's see if it works. So the 3 minus 5 is the 3 minus 5, and the 5 times 3 gives us 15, so that must be the right answer, and that is as simple as that. Thanks so much to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to check our website for more of these awesome videos. If you haven't had your question answered yet, remember to send it to us, and we will respond with a personalized video. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.